Hi students, today we are going to see about a median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. This is the formula to find the median for the group data. First we have to locate the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than and nearest to n by 2. That class will be called as the median class, and this n we will find is the number of observation, total number of observation, right? That means the total number of frequency. It will be given in the questions. L is lower limit of median class, N is number of observations, Cf is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, so F is frequency of the median class, so H is class size. So first we have to locate, after locating we can find the lower limit of it, and that frequency is Cf, the preceding cumulative frequency is Cf, and H is the class size. Class size mostly will be the same. So here we go for the problem. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median. We have to find the median. So monthly consumption is given here is the unit, and this weeks are called as the class interval 65 to 85, 85 to 105. It is given up to 205. And number of consumers, this we call it as a frequency F. So we need a one more table for the cumulative frequency. After that only we will be choosing that. So before that we will be finding the n, that is the total number. Actually total number is given as a 68, even though we can check here whether we get 68 or not. So if we add this, we will be getting it as an 68. We can check and say this is what we call it as a n. Okay. So let me first find the cumulative frequency. Let me draw the table here. So I have drawn the table here. The cumulative frequencies, just we have to add whatever the frequencies above that class. So here is the first class, it will be the 4. So next we have two classes above that, right? 5 plus 4 is 9. Next here 3, 13 plus 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 we already written 9. So 9 plus 13 is 22. And here the fourth one is 20, right? Cumulative frequency we have to add just above these things. You have to write above what are these things are. So 20 plus 13 plus 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 plus 13 is 22. 22 plus 22 plus 20 is the 42. So next class is a 14. We have to add everything. So 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20 is 42. We already added. 42 plus 14 is a 56. The next is a 8. 56 plus 8 is a 64. So directly you can add like that. 64 plus 4 is a 68. You can notice the one, the n here we opted, and the cumulative frequency final will be the same, since here we will be adding all the frequency, right? Cumulatively we are writing it. Cumulative means just collecting all other things, right? So now we have to find the median class, that is n by 2. So n by 2 is equal to 68 by 2, which is 34. So you have to find a 34 or greater than that in the cumulative frequency. So next to the 34 it will be the 42, right? This is the median class. So this will be the median class, right? The greater and near is 42. Even 56 is the greater, but it's not near. 42 will be the near. So this 125 will be the lower limit, and this 20 will be the frequency, and 22 will be the cumulative frequency. And this difference of 125 to 145, 20 is the height. Okay, so the L is equal to 125, frequency is a 20, Cf is 22, and height is equal to 20, right? So after finding this 34, you have to locate the median class. Then from that it is easy. The lower L is the lower limit, and frequency is Cf. Preceding is the Cf. It is given Cf is the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. So this is the median class, and preceding is the cumulative frequency. Now let me substitute in the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. So L is the 125 plus n by 2 is the 34 minus Cf is the 22 divided by F is the 20, and the height is also the same, 20. So 20 get cancelled. It's easy, right? So 125 plus 34 minus 22 is the 12. So if we divide, if we add 125 plus 12, we will be getting a 137. So this is our median. We go for the next problem. If the median of distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. So the given data is given, and also the given median is 28.5. I have written the median is equal to 28.5 here. And from the data you can see class interval is given, frequency is given, but you can notice that frequency have the x and y. So that is what we have to find, and the total number n is also given. So n is given, is easy to locate the median value, median class, but here I hope it will be in the variable. So first let me find a CF cumulative frequency. Let me draw a table here. Yes, right. So cumulative frequency we have to add. Here it is the 5, and here will be x plus 5, right? So variable let me write in the last. 5 plus x, 20 plus 5 plus x is a 25 plus x, and 15 is the 15 plus 25 plus x is a 40 plus x. Here y, so 40 plus x plus y, and here 40 plus 5 is a 45 plus x plus y, right? We know that this total and the final of the cumulative frequency will be equal. So from that we can simplify. So it is a 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. If you take here, it will be subtract, which will be 15, right? So x plus y is equal to 15. We got one of the equation like x plus y. So I hope one of the variable if we found, we can find another one. So next we have to locate the median class. Usually we will be locating by the half of the n, right? N by 60 by 2 is a 30, but here it's not 30 or greater than is we can't identify since it is in the variable. If we have the fixed number only we can find, right? We can't find, but they directly given the median is a 28.5. So just locate which class interval have 28.5. 28.5 lies between 20 to 30, right? In between here you will be getting a 28.5. Then this is the median class. Then this will be the lower limit, this will be the frequency f, and this the preceding will be the cf, and the height is the 10. Clear? Then just we can substitute. Here only x variable we have. So if we substitute in the median formula, we will be getting an x value. First let me write that lower limit is the 20, and frequency f is equal to 20, and cf is a 5 plus x, and the class height is the 10. Clear? So median formula is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cf by f into h. So we know that median is given as a 28.5 is equal to lower limit is the 20 plus n is a 60 by 2 minus cf is a 5 plus x, it's a minus, so we're just putting a bracket, and frequency f is a 20 into the height is the 10, right? 0 we can cancel, so we'll be getting a 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 60 by 2 is the 30 minus 5 minus x divided by 2. So let me take this here. If we subtract, we will be getting it as an 8.5 is equal to 30 minus 5 is the 25 minus x by 2. So next step, let me multiply this 2 here. So 8.5 into 2 is an 17. So 17 is equal to 25 minus x. So let me bring a minus x here. It will become a plus, and 17 here will become a subtracted. 25 minus 17 is a 8. So we got a x is equal to 8. Just substitute x is equal to 8 here, we will be getting in a y value, right? X plus y is equal to 15. So x is 8. 8 plus y is equal to 15. If you subtract, we will be getting it as a 7. So we got it, right? So here the median is directly given. So that class interval will say median class. After choosing that, you can see that x variable is involved in that formulas. If you solve, you will be getting the x value. And before that, here we compared the final of the cumulative frequency and the total number of frequency will be the same. So that too I have compared. So here we go for the next problem. A life insurance agent found the following data for distributing of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if the policies are given only to person having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So it is given here, and age is given, it should be in the class interval, but it is not in the class interval. It is given the below 20 how much, below 25 how much is that, and number of policy holders. So in this case, this will be the cumulative frequency. We have to obtain the frequency and the class interval. Easy. It is given below 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So class interval we can check as an 5 interval, but the first alone will be not 15 to 25, because it is given the age 18. The minimum age is given as a 18 years onwards, right? So it will be a 18, right? So we have to draw the table. The first will be drawing the age in years, that is the class interval. That's why we need class interval to find the lower limit, right? So next, frequency. Actually from here we have to find the frequency. Actually here it is given as a cumulative frequency. So first it will start from the 18 years and to 20, right? 18 to 20, and next 20 to 25, so up to 60. 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Let me draw the table. So here can you see that the table is there, and CF is the given that 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, 100, right? So the below 20 there is a 2, so it will be a 2, right? But 20 to 25, so up to 18 to 25 we have a 6, that is what below 25 means from 18 to 25 there is a 6. So below 20 there is a 2. So if we subtract, we will be getting in between 20 and 25, right? So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, right? Right. The same 25 to 30 we need. Actually we have a below 25 we have found that 6, right? Below 25 is a 6, but then 25 to 30 is a 24. So if we subtract this both, we will be getting, that means we are going to subtract this both, we will be getting this frequency, right? So 25 to 30 is a 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. The same 30 minus 25. So less than 35 there is a 45 members, and less than 30 there is a 24 members. So difference we will be getting. So 45 minus 24 is equal to 21. So like that we have to find. So next it will be a 78 minus 45, which is 33. Next 89 minus 78 is 11. Next 92 minus 89, we will be getting it as a 3. Sorry. Next 98 minus 92, 6. 100 minus 98, which is equal to 2. So if you add this frequency, we will be getting an n. Then only it is possible to find the median class. So if you add, we will be getting it as a 100. That's what here already we done. Even though you can just add and check. 80, 90, 95, 100. Yes, it's 100. So n by 2 is a 50 will be that. So 50 or the greater than that, we have to find the median class, right? So 78, so it is greater than and nearest, right? So and this class will be the, sorry, right, 78. So this is the median class. Clear? So this is the lower limit L, this 33 is the frequency, and 45 is the cumulative frequency, and height is the 5, right? So lower limit is equal to 35, and frequency is equal to 33, height is equal to 5, CF that preceding is a 45. Let me substitute in the formula. Then we will get median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, right? So the L is a 35 plus n by 2, we already found it as a 50, minus CF is the 45, divided by f is the 33 into 5. So we will be getting it as an 35 plus 50 minus 45 is the 5 5 is 25 25 by 33. So first just to divide, then we can add. So 35 plus, if we divide, we will be getting it as a 0.76. 2 decimal is enough. Let me stop that. 0.76. So if we add 35.76, so that's our median. So median is equal to 35.76, right? Clear? So if it is given like an less than or greater than, below or above, we have to find the frequency. Then because we need to find a f, so after finding that only we can proceed to the problem. Just by subtracting we can get that frequency. Thank you.